Are you looking for some easy festive holiday crafts for this Christmas season? Well, stick around. In this video, we have 3 budget-friendly, easy ornament crafts that are great for all ages. These are perfect for your classroom, Sunday school, or even for some just holiday fun around the house. All right, let's get creating. For our angel ornament craft, you will need a piece of paper, 2 pipe cleaners, a medium-sized bell, a piece of ribbon, and some scissors. You can also get some markers or some items to decorate your angel craft with if you would like. For our first step, we're going to fold our piece of paper horizontally. And then we're going to cut along that horizontal fold we just made. So then you should have 2 halves. If you would like to decorate your angel, now is the time to do that before we assemble. You want to stick to kind of these bottom outside corners along your outer edge and kind of avoid decorating in the middle because you won't be able to see that once your angel is assembled. So let's go ahead and decorate our angel. Let's go ahead and start making your fold. So with this, you would want to fold about 3/4 of an inch slots, and you're going to weave back and forth like a fan or an accordion fold on both pieces of paper. And you want to try and make sure that you are matching up that fold on both pieces so they have the equal number of folds but also are the same size as much as you possibly can. Now we have both sides of our angel. So you want to make sure that if you decorated that you have your matching ends on your sides correctly. The next stage is going to be putting all of that folded paper together and then kind of bunching it in that middle section about 1/3 of the way down from the top. You don't want to go to the full middle because you want to make sure that it looks like she has a longer dress than she does her arm. At that spot, go ahead and hold, and then you're going to bend each side down on its relative edge. So you want to make sure that those folds are matching so she has equal sized wings. Next, we are going to connect our 2 pieces of paper at that center fold. So to do that, we're going to take one of our pipe cleaners, and then we're going to put the bell about 2 inches down from the top, weaving the pipe cleaner through that back hook of our bell. So it should look like that. And then at that fold, you're going to hold that together and then place your bell on top. That's going to be our angel's face. And then you're going to wrap your pipe cleaner around the back and then kind of hook it underneath that wing on one side. And then you're going to push it around the front, and that's going to start securing your angel's wings and body together. So you want to make sure that that gets pulled real tight so her head stays on, and then you'll still have your other tail here that you're going to wrap around that angel's body. And then when you get to that end, you're just going to kind of tuck that in to make sure it stays secure. So that is your basic angel shape. So now we're going to make sure that we have a place for her halo and then also to connect our ribbon to make her an ornament. So let's go ahead and do that next. Next, we're going to take our second pipe cleaner and we're going to take that ribbon and loop it kind of till it's in that middle of that pipe cleaner. So it looks like that. And then we're going to go ahead and loop this around our angel as well. And we want to make sure that that loop for our ornament stays in the back and start wrapping that around from one side. And that's just going to help secure your angel. And then on the other side, we're going to pull to the back. And then you're going to actually thread this through your top pipe cleaner that's holding your bell on to secure your halo. So I'm going to go ahead and thread that through. Real easy. You should have a little gap there. And then that will give you your spot for your halo. Next, you're going to do your halo by doing your last little curve around your finger there. And you can even secure it by twisting in the back to make sure your halo stays in shape. And then that is your angel ornament. You can use your ribbon back there to hang your ornament from your tree. It is just that easy. For our wreath ornament craft, you will need 2 green pipe cleaners, a piece of ribbon, a small bell, then some letter beads. Go ahead and spell out what you would like to put on your ornament. and then some other pony beads in green and red colors. You're going to start this craft with both of your green pipe cleaners. You're going to hold those together and you're going to weave your letter beads into the middle of both of those pipe cleaners. So let's go ahead and do that now. So once you pull those up, make sure that those are at the center, and then you're ready to start your next step. We're going to start by taking 2 of the same color green beads and putting one on one strand of the pipe cleaner and then the other on the other one. And then after you do that, you're going to twist your pipe cleaners one full rotation, holding those beads in place. You're going to put those 2 pipe cleaners back together to weave in one of your ornament red beads. You got to put that through both pipe cleaners for that red bead and put it over that twist that you just made. And then you've started your wreath on your one side. So next, I'm going to take my other color beads and I'm going to do what I did with those darker green ones and then put one bead on each of those pipe cleaners. And then after those 2, I'm going to do that twist as well to secure those beads. And that way it stays in place. I'm going to hold these 2 together again and do another red ornament. Then I'm going to continue to do that till I have finished that side of my wreath. All right, I have reached my last section of my green beads, so I have enough to twist that last top. And now I want to make sure that I still have a little bit of a bunny ear there to secure my wreath on the other side. Now we're going to go ahead and do the same thing and weave our beads on this side to match that side. All right, so now I've completed my other side as well. So both of my sides of my wreaths have beads on it now. Next, we're just going to pull those sides together and we're going to secure those into the circle. So I'm going to go ahead and connect those together at the top by connecting those loose ends that we have left in our pipe cleaners securely by twisting them together. And then you can kind of move your beads and your pipe cleaner around to get your perfect circle wreath in its final shape. That way you have your wreath all together. So now what we're going to do is we're actually going to cover up this connection as we make our loop for our ornament so it can hang on its tree. So we're going to do that by taking our ribbon. So here we have just a little bit of Christmas ribbon, and then we're going to weave a small bell through that ribbon. We're going to do that by going through that back loop of the bell. And then we're going to put that there in the middle of our ribbon. And we're going to connect that bell with the ribbon over that connection piece where our final pipe cleaners were twisted together. That way it kind of covers up and gives us a nice top of our wreath ornament. Next, you're going to tie that ribbon in its spot over that connection piece again, arranging it so it provides nice coverage there over our knot. And then we're going to use those 2 ends of our ribbon and connect those into a loop to make our hanging spot for our ornament. After you finish tying that ribbon, you can always cut off that little extra there. Your wreath is complete, and it's even customizable with whatever word or name that you'd like to add there. You can go ahead and use that ribbon to hang it from your tree. For our Christmas tree ornament craft, you will need 6 green pipe cleaners, 3 green popsicle sticks, and 1 brown pipe cleaner for your tree base. And then to decorate your Christmas tree, you will want some pony beads, some metallic pipe cleaners, and then a bell for your star, and then lastly, a piece of ribbon to hang your ornament with. For this ornament, we are going to start with 2 of our 3 popsicle sticks. You're going to go ahead and join those together and hold them on the edge to make your initial angle of your Christmas tree. Next, you're going to take 1 of your green pipe cleaners and you're going to hold it over that edge that you have joined with your fingers, and you're going to twist it back just a little bit over that edge to go ahead and start joining those 2 together. Next, you're going to go ahead and weave this back behind one of the popsicle sticks and then weave it over the one next to it. And then you're going to do that the other way back under this popsicle stick and then around this one. And then you're going to go over the top like you started. So you're making a weave across all 3 points of your popsicle stick. You're going to keep doing that until you have joined those popsicle sticks all the way together, making sure to pull tight as you go. So you are securing the first part of your triangle shape for your Christmas tree. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to join this one the same way to this side on this bottom corner. So we're going to do that same weave we started with here on this corner as well. We're going to twist around that last end to secure this side. And we are done with the bottom base of our Christmas tree. Next, this will be the top. We're going to start joining that one the same way, but towards the end of the weave, we have a couple of extra actions we need to do so we can connect our bell as our star and the loop for our ornament. So we're going to go ahead and start with that weave again up here. All right, now that we are at those last couple inches, we are going to connect our star by weaving it through the edge of that pipe cleaner and pushing it down so it is at the top of our Christmas tree. And then around the back side, we are also going to loop in our ribbon. This is a ribbon that we've already tied off into our loop for our ornament. And then we're going to place that loop through that edge of the pipe cleaner and hold it onto the back behind our bell. And we're going to finish wrapping that real tight so it secures our loop back there. Next, what we're going to do is that we're going to make our Christmas tree a little fuller by adding some pipe cleaners on all 3 sides. We're going to start by doing our 2 sides here first with green pipe cleaner, wrapping it around the popsicle stick so it's nice and bushy. We'll start it by folding that edge around and just kind of looping that back there, and then we will weave just around that popsicle stick so it looks more and more like a full Christmas tree and less like a stick. Right, once we get to that ending there, we're going to go ahead and tuck that around. Next, we're going to do the same thing on this side. All right, now that we're at that edge, we're going to go ahead and tuck that back there. For our last edge here, and we're going to take our brown pipe cleaner to create our trunk of our tree. So for this, we're going to go ahead and take that brown pipe cleaner. We're going to fold it in half. Along the bottom edge of that popsicle stick on the bottom side, you're going to go ahead and fold it in half again, only around that popsicle stick. And then you can fold up and around on that side to hook it there. And then you're going to fold your other side as well. Then once you have that wrapped, you're going to take it and then pinch it right underneath that popsicle stick and twist it. Now that you have your trunk in place, we're going to finish wrapping our last part of our popsicle stick with that last green pipe cleaner. Just when you're wrapping it, you want to make sure that you wrap across the back part of your tree trunk. That way that brown is nicely showing there on the front of your Christmas tree. Now that we've assembled our tree, it's time to decorate it. We're going to do that by taking one of our metallic pipe cleaners and we're going to wrap it around one edge of the tree and kind of tuck that edge in so it's secure. And then we are going to weave one of our ornament beads through that pipe cleaner, placing it where it would look like it is hanging on the tree. You will then take your metallic pipe cleaner and weave it around the back. And then you will also go ahead and put a bead on the back side of that pipe cleaner as well. Because the fact that your tree is actually open, you can see both sides when you're weaving your garland around. We're going to continue doing that until our garland is at its end piece. But don't worry, once it reaches that end, we'll start with our second piece of tinsel to finish out the garland and the beads. So once we've hit that edge, we're going to go ahead and wrap that around and connect that piece of garland, making sure our beads are in the right spot. And then we're going to start our second piece of garland with that one left off by wrapping that in the same location and then putting beads on that one to start another section. All right, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this last piece of tinsel there down around the corner where it can connect. And then spread out our beads to make sure that they're well placed. And then our craft is complete. Go ahead and use that ribbon to hang it from your tree. Well, that is a wrap on our 3 easy Christmas ornament crafts. Comment below which one was your favorite and make sure to give this video a like to help us spread the holiday cheer. Subscribe to our channel, Happy Holiday Hotspot, for more fun holiday game and craft ideas all year round.